I want to show you two different ways that you can mount your red rubber stamps. So we have the Happier Than Happy stamp set. We have our red rubber images and then our image sheet. So the two different ways that you can do this. The first way is flip this over. So if you're reading the words on this side, flip it over and you'll see parts of the image or above the image that you can peel off. So we're going to peel those off. And then you can punch this out and you're going to peel the back of it off. Then you can just line up parts of it. Like I'll line up the feet first, and then the tail, and then the head. And then you're going to put it down so that it's right in the middle of the image. And then you just pull it off, and there you have your fox. The other way that I learned that I've been teaching people is if you take your image and punch that out, then we're going to peel off the entire piece that your image is on. Place that onto your block. Then you're going to peel this part off. So now you can see your image. And this part's sticky. We're going to peel our backing off. We're going to put our image down. So we have this here. Then you are going to line up. I'm just going to stand up a little while I'm doing this. It's hard to do on camera. You're going to line the image up. And then you're just going to place it down. So that's on your block. And then you'll just peel that off of your block. So those are the two different ways that you can mount your images. I just wanted to show you guys that quick. I've done both ways. It's more of what is your preference, honestly. I personally think that it's easier to mount them on the block, but I know that some people like to do it this way. You just have to be careful when you do it this way. Once you stick it down, obviously it's stuck down. And then you have to be more careful with lining up the edges when you do it this way. And I do like doing the bigger images like this bear. Oh, you know what, guys? I meant to grab the whole image off. I like to do them on the block. I just find it's a little easier. Let's punch our bear out. Take the back of him off. All right. And here I'm just gonna stand up again. You guys will have a much easier time doing this when you're standing up, I feel, and then also not doing it on camera because it's much harder doing it on camera. So there we have our bear. We're just going to peel him off. And I'll just do the other images quickly. All right, if you guys want to let me know which way you like mounting your stamps better. I usually keep my rubber piece in with my stamp set just so that I can easily tell when images are missing. If I don't have them, if I'm using them, just helps me when I put them away. Easier to know that I have everything in their spot and that I'm not missing anything out on my table. So I just wanted to share that with you guys as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I would definitely love to hear which way you find easier. I do like mounting them on my block a little easier than doing it this way. Sometimes if I am in a rush and I don't have a lot of time, I will do it off of the sheet instead, just because I feel like it can go a little bit faster. And then just putting these away afterwards to make sure that I don't have anything missing. And why can't I get that one in there? What am I doing wrong? I must have put one in. Okay, that's the only problem, I guess, with doing this, is that you can put stuff in the wrong slot. But I just like having that, just showing that, you know, everything's where it's supposed to be. I have all of my pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm going to show you how to mount your background stamps. So we have our Ray of Light stamp set. We have our rubber image, and then we have our image sheet, which we're going to peel the image off. You're going to place it on your glass block with the image face down. Now this is the size F block, which is the largest block that Stampin' Up! Sells. This is for your background images. So what we're going to do is peel this off. I do see some bubbles here, so I'm just going to smooth this out. It might be easier actually to put this back on, only since there was some bubbles. Let's see if I could smooth those out. Okay, that looks much better. And then we can peel this side. Okay, there's a couple of bubbles on that side too, so let me just do the same for this side. Okay. All right, so it looks much better. Now we can take our red rubber image and peel this off the back. So I just want to line these up. So that will go there. And you can see we have our dot right there, or our sun, I should say. And now it's in the same place on the block. I'm gonna try to lean over while I do this so that I can line it up. I think that's good. It is a little hard to see with the camera in my way. But we've got that, and let's peel that off. Oh. So it does have a little bubble that I think we can smooth out with this. I always have trouble with background stamps. They never come out perfectly. no matter how hard I try to do them. So I thought this would be an easier way to put them on your block. And it does look good when it's on the block. But when I peel it off, I mean, you can tell there is a little bit of bubbling there. So it's up to you if you want to try to mount your stamp this way, or if you want to take it, which I used to do when it was half here. I would peel up one side and then I would put it down, and then I would go and peel the other side and then put that down, and that would help sometimes too. And you know, if I leave it on the Stampin' block like this, it might just smooth out. But I would love to hear from you guys. I hope that helped, and I hope you have a great day. So I just had a quick update for you guys. After leaving this on my block for about 20 minutes, face down, I do have to say it completely smoothed out on both sides. So I don't know if you can see, but I feel like it looks great now. So I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know that if that does happen, just leave it like this for 20 minutes and then hopefully it will smooth itself back out.